Yeah, that's making a lot more sense even as you're talking about it because I've been in real estate 8 years, marketing the whole time, mostly online. But now I'm noticing that there's so many other ways I could be doing it. And like you said, it's more expensive and I'll be able to get there. But yeah, I'm just learning now. And when I started watching what you guys were doing online, I love it.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah.
Mhm.
And it's like a big part of what we're doing now is self, like everything that we've done is self-taught. So like we're
That's
becoming a
crazy.
really strong content creation agency, which I appreciate the support.
Yeah, absolutely.
But it is all self-taught. Like when we started, we were shooting videos on cell phones. And
Wow.
that gives me the ability to help you. Like we're in a
Mhm.
true position to help our clients in that
Yeah.
way. It gives us a lot of perspective. And we've worked with so many different businesses. We work with people with small budgets. We work with people with very large budgets. And we've learned a lesson with every single client we've worked with over the last 8 years. So there's a lot of like perspective that I can bring.